Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD. Today is Wednesday, March 18, 2020. It is 10:08:34 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Throughout my life, I had dedicated my lifestyle and studied infectious disease, virology, pathophysiology, microbiology, neural networks for the last 30 years. And here is some general knowledge based on corona. Once people learn that we are a slave race to the government, people will start to wake up. That means no television, no clicking on fake news links, tabloids, magazines, newspapers, etc., etc., etc. The list goes on. Only then will people be aware of their surroundings. Corona was a multi-trillion-dollar and dirty and filthy business. Opportunity for them to make multi-trillions off propaganda, junk science, vaccines, and pharmaceuticals. And not to mention to cut the population and make money off inflation. I tossed my television to the curb nearly 30 years ago. The more you click on those links, the more money the government television broadcasters generate profits off mass media. Think about it. Billions and trillions of money being generated every time you buy into television, news, magazines, links, tabloids, etc., etc., etc. The list goes on. Don't fall victim to junk science or news. More opportunity for them to make multi-trillions off junk science such as vaccines and pharmaceutical junk. My quack doctor asked me specifically, "Do you think you are something special?" I reply, "You damn right, buddy, and if you don't think so, you just ain't my friend." I said to him, "I'm cut from a different cloth and they don't make that fabric anymore." People continue to believe in the lies and propaganda on the bell curve and mass media. The more lies people listen to, the more and more they simply refuse to hear the truth. Good day, this is Professor Will on infectious disease and pathophysiology. Hope you enjoyed listening and have a great day.